It's okay for the prosecution for Hank Brennan to make crazy allegations against Karen Read with zero evidence and zero facts. But it's not okay for Richard Green to make these allegations about Jennifer McCabe with actual facts, with actual hash-verified evidence. Again, this is Hank Brennan's ignorance on display, his contradictions on display.
Manipulation, there is scientific ways that could be explained how manipulation could occur, but we don't see any of that in this affidavit because it didn't exist in this case, because there was no deletion or manipulation by the witness. There was no manipulation by the police who processed this phone. If there was, there would be some proof.
And clearly, this is Hank Brennan saying he doesn't care about the proof because there is proof and it's not enough for him. Again, I've said it in the previous videos, this is also airtime for Hank Brennan. This is Hank Brennan's opportunity to muddy the waters for everyone watching this case. That he thinks that if he can say something's not true, that means it's not true, even though there's evidence proving that it's true.
This affidavit speaks volumes by the absence of fact and data and science. Mr. Green does nothing to try to demonstrate that there was user deletion on this phone or that there was manipulation by the police. When you look at the data in the phone, the question arises, why is there a 624 search and not a 623 search? The phone stores the last entry into the tab. It's not just science, it's common sense. Common sense that Mr. Green ignores. And so not being able to...
That's not science, actually. It's not even true. And it's not common sense. There is no common sense here. Common sense is irrelevant to this. It's Hank Brennan oversimplifying something that is not simple. It actually needs to be verified.
Prove user manipulation because it didn't happen. He turns to police manipulation. And he says that there can be a problem where the hashes don't match, but the problem is the hashes do. They match.
Yeah, how do you know that, Hank Brennan? Again, he's continued to testify here. He's continued to provide testimony as if Hank Brennan is the expert. He has no idea what the hell he's talking about.